Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Vaishnav and I'm back with my another augmented reality app, InkART. Now everyone loves tattoo, right? But not all of us have tattoos because we are not sure how the tattoo will look. So I have created this app with Unity and Vuforia which can show us how the tattoo will look on us. So I have the screen, I have this tattoo pan. It has many options, and if needed we can add new pictures. And let me show you. So as you know, this app is created using Vuforia. We will need this target image. Vuforia will detect this image based on its features, the drawing on it, and then we can put our augmented object on it. Now this is the tattoo. I can move anywhere on the screen. I can even resize it. So let me show you. I have the famous traces like butterflies, then some rose, then skull. I have a dragon roar. Oh, let me put my hand. How will it look? Yeah, it will look good, but I think I need to resize it a bit. So now let me see. Where is the tattoo? Okay, so I think it might look good on me. Oh, this violin is too dull. It's a good one, but I don't think it will look good on me. I like the wolfie though. So like this, I can show you the tattoos. But what if you don't like any of the available tattoos? Do you want to create something new, right? So for that, I have another option. We can draw the tattoos. Anything you like. I just need to press my screen while I'm drawing and move the object so the tattoo will be visible with this invisible wand. It is a 3D wand, as you can see, the augmented one. And let me draw something. What I want to draw. Let's draw Deathly Hollow. I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so let me draw this invisibility clock, the triangle. Now I am not pressing the screen, so I can move my wand anywhere. Now I'm pressing my screen. Let me draw the resurrection stone. It's something like this. It's really difficult to draw it, I think. And the ultimate undefeatable wand. So I have drawn my object. Now I can see how it will look. So something like this. And afterwards we can add colors and all. And if I want to remove the picture, if I want to remove this drawing from the screen, I have this clear buttons on the screen, so I'll just press it and the Deathly Hollow mark is gone. I hope you like it. And if you like it, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.